Hey there, food lovers! Welcome to a journey where we explore the incredible power of food. Let's talk about the amazing connection between what we eat and how we feel. Our daily choices can transform our health and well-being. It's like having a superpower right in our kitchens. Imagine being able to boost your mood, energy, and overall health just by choosing the right ingredients. Choosing the right foods can be like giving our bodies a big, warm hug from the inside out. It's a comforting thought, isn't it? This is especially true when we're recovering from things like acid reflux, inflammation, or even bariatric surgery. The right foods can aid in our recovery and make us feel better faster. Think of food as medicine, each ingredient carefully chosen to help us heal and thrive. Fresh herbs, vibrant vegetables, and wholesome grains all play a part in this healing process. It's not about complicated diets or feeling deprived. It's about making simple, delicious choices that nourish our bodies and souls. It's about enjoying delicious, nourishing meals that make us feel fantastic. Imagine sitting down to a meal that not only tastes great, but also makes you feel great. Today, we're diving into 3 simple recipes packed with flavor and healing power. These recipes are easy to make and full of ingredients that support your health. Get ready to nourish your body and feel your absolute best. Let's embark on this delicious journey together and discover how food can truly be our best medicine. Before we jump into our recipes, let's talk about the importance of gentle eating. When we're recovering, our digestive systems need a little extra TLC. That means choosing foods that are easy to digest and gentle on our stomachs. Think soft textures, cooked veggies, and lean proteins. It's also important to chew our food well and eat slowly. This gives our bodies time to break down food properly and absorb all those amazing nutrients. So relax, savor each bite, and let's get cooking. This salad is a symphony of flavors and textures, combining the earthiness of spinach with the sweetness of strawberries. The balsamic vinaigrette adds a tangy kick that brings it all together. It's light, refreshing, and oh so good for you. Ingredients: 4 cups baby spinach, 1 cup sliced strawberries, 1/4 cup slivered almonds, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: 1. In a large bowl, combine spinach, strawberries, and almonds. 1. In a small bowl, whisk together balsamic vinegar, olive oil, salt, and pepper. 1. Pour the dressing over the salad just before serving and toss to coat. This salad isn't just delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Spinach is a great source of iron, which is essential for energy production. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage. And those slivered almonds? They provide healthy fats and fiber, keeping us feeling full and satisfied. This salad is a winner all around. Section 5. Recipe 2. Tuna salad lettuce. Wraps with chopped celery and carrots. This delightful recipe is perfect for a light lunch or a refreshing dinner option. It's easy to prepare and packed with nutrients. These lettuce wraps are a light and flavorful way to enjoy tuna salad. The crispness of the lettuce combined with the creamy tuna mixture creates a satisfying texture that is both refreshing and delicious. Using lettuce cups instead of bread makes them easier to digest and lower in carbs. This makes it an excellent choice for those who are looking to reduce their carbohydrate intake or are following a gluten-free diet. Plus, they're fun to eat. The whole family can enjoy these wraps, making mealtime more interactive and enjoyable. Ingredients: 2 5-ounce cans of tuna in water, drained. Tuna is a versatile ingredient that is rich in protein and essential nutrients, making it a great base for this recipe. 1/4 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup chopped celery, 1/4 cup chopped carrots. The Greek yogurt adds a creamy texture while keeping the dish light, and the celery and carrots add a satisfying crunch. 1 tablespoon chopped red onion. The red onion adds a slight bite and a pop of color to the salad. Salt and pepper to taste. 6 large lettuce leaves. The lettuce leaves act as a natural wrap, holding the tuna salad together while adding a fresh, crisp element to each bite. Preparation: in a medium bowl, combine tuna, yogurt, celery, carrots, and red onion. Mix well until all ingredients are evenly distributed. This ensures that every bite is packed with flavor and texture. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Adjust the seasoning according to your preference to enhance the flavors of the tuna salad. Spoon tuna salad into lettuce leaves and serve. These wraps are best enjoyed fresh, but they can also be prepared in advance and stored in the refrigerator for a quick and healthy meal option. Soothing benefits for acid reflux. This recipe is not only delicious but also gentle on the stomach. This recipe is naturally low in acidity, making it a good choice for those with acid reflux. The combination of low-acid ingredients helps to minimize discomfort and promote digestive health. Tuna is a good source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation. These essential fats are beneficial for heart health and can aid in reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Greek yogurt provides probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. Probiotics support a healthy digestive system and can improve overall gut function, making this recipe a nutritious choice for maintaining a balanced diet. Section 6. Wrap your head around this easy meal. These lettuce wraps are so versatile, you can swap out the tuna for cooked chicken or chickpeas for a vegetarian option. Feel free to get creative with your veggies too. Chopped bell peppers, cucumbers, or even a sprinkle of fresh herbs would be delicious additions. The possibilities are endless. Section 7. Recipe 3. Baked chicken breast with roasted broccoli and cauliflower. This is a wholesome and delicious meal that is perfect for any day of the week. This classic dish is a go-to for a reason. It's not only easy to prepare, but also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it as a main course for dinner or even pack it for a nutritious lunch. It's simple, satisfying, and packed with protein and nutrients. The chicken breast provides a lean source of protein, while the broccoli and cauliflower add essential vitamins and minerals. Baking the chicken and veggies together makes for easy cleanup too. You won't have to worry about multiple pots and pans. Ingredients: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 cup cauliflower florets, 1 tablespoon olive oil. These ingredients are simple and can be found in any grocery store. Salt and pepper to taste. You can also add other seasonings like garlic powder or paprika for extra flavor. Preparation: preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This ensures that your chicken and vegetables cook evenly. Place chicken breasts in a baking dish. Make sure they are spaced out evenly to allow for proper cooking. Toss broccoli and cauliflower with olive oil, salt, and pepper. This helps to coat the vegetables evenly and enhances their natural flavors. Spread vegetables around the chicken in the baking dish. This allows the flavors to meld together as they cook. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until chicken is cooked through and vegetables are tender. You can check the doneness of the chicken by cutting into it to make sure it's no longer pink inside. Enjoy your meal. This baked chicken recipe is a blank canvas for flavor. Try marinating the chicken in your favorite herbs and spices before baking. You can also add a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese or a squeeze of lemon juice for extra flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. One of the best things about these recipes is their flexibility. Don't have all the ingredients on hand? No problem. Feel free to get creative with substitutions. For example, you can use any type of lettuce for the tuna wraps, or swap out the tuna for cooked chicken or chickpeas. In the chicken and veggie recipe, you can use any vegetables you like. Asparagus, green beans, or even Brussels sprouts would be delicious. Remember, everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to listen to your body and pay attention to how different foods make you feel. If you have any specific dietary needs or restrictions, be sure to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to create a meal plan that's right for you. Congratulations on taking charge of your health. By choosing nourishing, easy-to-digest foods, you're giving your body the tools it needs to heal and thrive. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these recipes into your weekly meal plan and see how you feel. You deserve to feel your absolute best. For more delicious and healthy recipes, along with personalized meal plans and tips, visit our website. We're here to support you on your journey to optimal health and well-being. Happy cooking!